Hi, today I've been restoring a vintage rolled razor. This is from the 1950s, an Imperial number 2. Edges of the box are a little bit worn around, but it's protected, done a great job of protecting the blade, which is in super condition. Looks like it's a Christmas edition, quite a festive inside of the box. These are a great invention. They've got the strop and the stone in here for sharpening and maintaining the blade. So you open it with the top, and there's your leather strop. There's your blade, there's your handle, and these will only fit one way. So you put them back and click it, turn it around and click it open again, and there's the honing slate. There's 2 marks there, but it's only from this part of the handle. So you basically take the handle out. There's your handle. Lift the blade up and turn it half a turn like so, and pull it off the spike. So I'll put that away for now. And you undo the handle and then slide the head here over the top of the blade and then screw it tight. And that's it. I don't know if you can see, but there's some marks on it. Those are the serial numbers, I think. So relatively good condition, both sides. So I'm just going to shave test it now. They look a bit basic, a bit like an army issue, but I've got one of these in my own collection. Slightly different model. Mine's a Viscount, the aluminium one, so a little bit lighter in the body. But they're easy to maintain, easy to keep your razor sharp, and you've got a safety bar there. So you've got a hollow ground blade, just like a cutthroat razor, but you've got this safety bar. I find it's best with these razors to hold it virtually flat to your face. Just like you would with a straight. Great for travelling as well, these, you know, because everything's just in one little neat package. Quite a forgiving razor. That'll do. So everything's good to go with that rolled razor. 60 years old and still going. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.